Carving out a space for yourself in a full house doesn't have to be hard. We're transforming a closet into a home office that you'll be proud to show off. We prepared our space by clearing away the clutter and patching the walls. After painting everything, we removed the doors on our closet to keep the space open. One way to make a big impact is with wallpaper. We're going with a sophisticated blue and gold pattern to liven up the space and tie all of the decor together. And the best part? It's removable and repositionable. Next, we cut a tabletop to fully fit the closet and anchored it securely to the wall. Then we slid an accent table underneath for additional storage and style. We also love using floating shelves. They're great for this project because they add storage, but they don't take up much wall space. Now brighten up the whole area by adding pendant lighting. And there's no need to wire a new light fixture. Just plug it in. You don't have to sacrifice style when organizing your office necessities either. Hide your clutter and loose cords inside baskets or boxes with lids. Not only are they practical, but they add visual interest too. Remember, the goal here is for the closet to look like an extension of your living area. So choose decor that motivates and inspires you to do your best work. You want a nice blend of functionality and sophistication. Now that you know the essentials of creating a functional, stylish workspace, it's time to get started on your closet to office transformation. For more DIY projects from Hobby Lobby, click the subscribe button below.